Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to unfreeze your FreeCash account. So one of the things you need to take note of is first, you don't need to use a VPN for FreeCash. FreeCash strongly prohibits the use of VPN while using your account. So make sure you turn that off and you'll be able to resolve it quickly. Also, you want to check at the top right corner, the notifications bell icon right here, and look for some information about why your account is frozen or if your account is frozen and what you can do. If you don't find any information there, another thing you could do is to use the chat icon at the bottom right corner. If you click on it, this is where you can get to find help for unfreezing your account. If you don't have an option to write anything, of course you could choose one of these options, and this is the closest to an account that has been frozen. I need help with my FreeCash account. So go ahead and communicate with them and they'll be able to help you out if they can and if you didn't break any rules that would terminate your account. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to unfreeze your FreeCash account.